Welcome to Axial Creative Lab, where we offer a full range of interior design and visualization services to support architecture studios, businesses, and individuals. Our team of experienced professionals is dedicated to creating beautiful and functional spaces that reflect your unique style and vision. We offer a range of services, including 3D modeling, rendering, 2D and 3D plans generation, to help you bring your design ideas to life. Whether you are an architecture studio looking to visualize a new project, a business owner looking to renovate your space, or an individual looking to redesign your home, we have the skills and expertise to help you achieve your design goals. If you're interested in our interior design, 2D plans generation, 3D modeling, or rendering services, please feel free to contact us for more information.